Welcome to Ghee and Galaxies. Every parent knows the ultimate enemy of a clean house isn't the kids, it's the smart appliances. At first, it was just doing its job, but then the machine chose violence. It went completely rogue. Mom watched her peaceful morning completely evaporate. Dad tried to intervene. Big brother tried to help. But this rogue vacuum was basically on boss level. It was a blur of chaotic floor cleaning fury until it set its sights on the final target. It charged straight for the baby. Panic mode activated. But little Durga, she didn't even flinch. She just looked at it and calmly lowered her foot because they forgot who they were dealing with. You do not challenge the unstoppable force, the warrior goddess, the mother of the universe. Even the cosmos bows to her. And Mom and Dad finally understood. The magic settled. The beast was tamed. And the house was safe once again. Dad definitely needed another coffee. And our little goddess, she just wanted her plushie.